Hey guys and gals, how you doing? Thank you for taking the time to come back to my channel, okay, if you're returning. And if you're a new person, welcome, welcome, welcome. Well, today I want to jump right into it. I want to talk about a hot new program that is taking the internet by storm. It is called $25 1 Up. That's right, $25 1 Up. And I am just so excited about it, guys. And I'll tell you why. For a number of reasons. Number one, it's easy. It's easy. It's easy for people to understand. With this program, you get uh, the ability to make $25 over and over and over. You get the ability to make $100 over and over and over. It is a awesome, simple online business that can help a lot of people, right? Because $25 adds up. You make 4 sales in a day, that's $100, right? Just imagine if you made 4 $100 sales in a day. That's $400. So it is a phenomenal program. Now, the other thing that is so beautiful about $25 1 Up is that it is a instant pay system. Instant pay, member to member. People sign up, they join, and you get paid directly, instantly. Who doesn't love a instant payday? Okay, I don't think you're gonna find anybody who doesn't. Next, what do you get? Well, I want to talk about what you get and give you, some previews here. If you come in, let's just say, for example, at the $25 level, right? So I won't open these, but I will show you here what you get. You get pre-written ads, okay? You get a copy sheet for Facebook, an ad copy sheet for Facebook. You get a Facebook groups cheat sheet video. Okay, this is all information that, especially if you're new online, this is the type of stuff you need to get you going, to give you that jump start, right? You get 50 ways or ideas to promote any business. Who doesn't need that if they're in business? That is the key. Promotion, promotion, promotion. 25 1 Up business mindset training. Our minds are powerful, and you really need to know how to harness that mind power to get what you want, which is sales, So you get more mindset motivation, okay? So these are awesome things that you get. You even get postcard templates. So if you're a person and you don't want to talk to anybody, right? You just want to put a postcard in the mail. You can do that too, folks. You can do that too. Now I'll open that for you just so you can take a peek. So these are already created for you. The graphics are already created that you can go and have printed up and send them out. And I guarantee you, if you send them out, you send enough of them out, people are going to buy. They're going to buy. So that's what I wanted to show you about the products. Now let's talk about, we get funnel pages with this, right? You don't have to think about it. You don't have to do it. You don't have to worry about that. It's already created for you. There are funnel pages here, beautiful funnel pages that will get people intrigued about your offer. So let's see, I'll open one up here so you can take a look. And my computer can be kind of slow, but here we are. Look, isn't that beautiful? It reads here, this simple system has unlimited earning potential. Are you ready to change your life? It's already created. You don't have to be a funnel master. It's here. $25. $25 gets this for you. Phenomenal. Okay, so that's one thing I wanted to show you. Also, you can earn residual income with this. So, like, you guys have seen on my channel, I have a few videos, a couple, about my econ. That's another opportunity that I'm in. Well, if you're in my econ or you join me in my econ, what a double whammy here. You can have my econ listed as well. So when people join you, and they say, what else is Nettie doing? Because she doing pretty good over there. Let me join my econ too. It's right there. It's right there for them. Okay. And next, what I want to show you is the compensation plan, right? But there's a little video and it can explain it way better than I can, but you'll see the power of leverage, because this is not just a one and done, folks. You get to leverage the people that you bring in your team to make extra residual. Well, you do the work one time and you don't have to think about it anymore, and all of a sudden money just pops, pop in your bank account. Let's hear right here what they've got to say.
The Reverse One Up 100% commissions compensation plan leverages the efforts of other people to create passive income for you. Your first referral is going to pay you for the system. They're going to keep their first sale and then pass up their second sale to you, which will put you into profit with just one referral. Your second referral is the one that you're going to pass up, and that's the only one that you'll ever have to pass up. Your third referral, fourth, fifth, and every referral after that are going to pay you for their system. They're going to keep their first sale and then pass up their second sale to you. All of your pass ups are also going to pass up their second sale to you. And those pass ups will also pass up their second sale to you. And every pass up that you ever get will always pass up their second sale to you. And that never ends. That goes on to infinity.
So, you all heard it. It is a one up pass up, right? And so, as people come in and they join you, right? The first sale goes to them. They pass up the second sale to you, all right? And then their third sale and beyond through infinity goes to them. So you can rest assured, for every person that you bring in, okay, their second sale is going to go to you. So that's residual income, folks. That's income that comes from doing work one time and then getting paid over and over and over again. Wouldn't you like to have extra money coming to you, not just based off of your efforts, but the efforts of your team? So I would encourage you today to go ahead, get started. It's $25, all right, to get started. Dip your big toe in, check it out, all right, and then later on you're going to want to upgrade to the higher level of the $100 level, okay, so that you can get $25 jumping in your mailbox, $100 jumping in your PayPal box, or your Stripe box or whatever. I'm going to include my link below so that you can go ahead and get started. Why not you? Why not now? We got a whole group of people. A whole group of people who are doing it, folks. Who are doing it. Let me just show you. People are having success. They're having success, right? So as you can see, here's my name, okay? I just got a new member, right? Money popping here. This is somebody else. Money popping here. Somebody else. Okay? People are making money with this. They're making money. All right? They're making money. Why not you? Why not now? Get started. Let me help you. Okay? I'm going to put my link in the description below. Whip out that debit card. That PayPal. And let's get you started. Let's get you started. Talk to you later. Bye bye.